Okay, so this is the continuation of our previous lecture on arithmetic progressions. So there we basically looked at what an arithmetic progression is, and then we also looked at a few formulas. The nth term of the AP was found as A plus n minus 1 into D. Then we looked at the sum of the first n terms of the AP, which was computed as n upon 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Then we also looked at the arithmetic mean, which is basically the average of all the terms of the AP, and we came up with like it is the equal to the average of the first and the last term of the AP. So this is what we did in the previous lecture. Now suppose we have been given a question that we have to find the three terms in an AP whose sum is 36 and the product is 960. So normally what we can do is we can take three terms to be A plus D and A plus 2D and simply form two equations from this and then solve for A and D. But this makes our calculations very difficult. So what we do whenever we are told to find out three terms, we instead of taking these three terms, the terms which we take is A minus D, A and A plus D. Why we do that? Because the sum of these three terms is equal to 3A. So D is automatically excluded or eliminated when we compute the sum. So now 3A here is given to be 36. So therefore A, the first term, but in this case middle term, has already been found. Now we have been given that the product of the three terms is 960. So A into A minus D into A plus D is equal to 960. Now A minus D into A plus D is A square minus D square using the algebraic identity. Now simply inserting A as 12, we get 12 into 12 square minus D square is equal to 960. This cancels out by 80 and therefore we get D square as 144, which is 12 square, minus 80 equal to 64. Therefore D could be plus or minus 8. Now we have to find the three terms. So three terms were A minus D, A and A plus D. So 12 minus 8 or 12 and 12 plus 8. So these are 4, 12 and 20, or it could be vice versa, 20, 12 and 4. So it could be an increasing AP as well, it could be a decreasing AP as well. So we can clearly see the sum of the three terms here is 36 and the product is 960. So whenever we are given to find three terms, we instead of taking these, we normally take these to make our computations easy. Similarly, whenever we are told to find, suppose we are told to find in some particular cases four terms. So instead of taking A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D, we don't do that because the calculations will be really tough. What we do is we take the four terms as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D, because again the sum of the four terms in this case is 4A, which eliminates the D here, and we can clearly see this is an AP with common difference equal to 2D. So this is how we compute these kind of problems on arithmetic progressions.